Magandang araw mga classmate. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw ay kung paano mag-solve ng mga linear equations in one variable. Okay, so tandaan natin yung mga step kapag tayo ay magsosolve ng mga linear equation in one variable. So unahin natin yung pag-simplify. Okay, so ano yung sinisimplify? So each side of the equation if needed by distributing or combining like terms. So ibig sabihin, take a look first at the left and right hand of the equation. So kung kailangang mag-distribute or gamitan ng distributive property or mag-combine ng like terms. Then the second one is to move one variable to one side of the equation. So paano ginagawa yon? So not literally na ililipat. So ginagamitan pa rin siya ng property of equality. So pwedeng addition property of equality ang gamitin natin. So for the third step, we have to isolate. So in solving linear equation, so our very main purpose is to find the solution o yung root ng ating equation. Pag sinabi nating solution, this is the value of the variable that will satisfy the original equation. At paano natin malalaman na tama yung sagot natin? So we'll just check the answer by substituting kung ano yung nakuha nating value ng variable dun sa original na equation. So for our first example, we have 8 plus x equals to 15. So if we're going to analyze, ito yung kung babalikan natin yung mga lesson natin nung tayo ay elementary pa. So para lang mas maintindihan nyo. So, nung elementary, ang binibigay sa atin ay ganito. So, we have 8 plus, ito yung rectangle o ito yung space para doon sa number na kapag inad natin sa 8, ang makukuha natin ay 15. Okay, so ngayon, instead na box, so nire-represent natin siya as a variable. Okay, so alam natin na kapag nagdagdag tayo dito ng 7, so it will satisfy the equation because 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay. So subukan natin in this case. So paano natin makukuha na yung solution para dito sa ating equation is 7. Okay, solve natin to. Okay, so in this case, pwede na nating laktawan yung first step na simplify kasi wala naman tayong mai-distribute o kaya mai-combine na like terms. So, ang pwede na lang natin gawin is yung second step or yung move one variable to one side of the equation. So, although nasa one side na siya ng equation at isa lang yung variable, so ang susunod na nating step ay isolate. So, dapat ang matira sa left side ay si variable na x. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Okay, so 8 plus x. So, para mawala si positive 8, so gagamitan natin ng addition property of equality. So, mag-a-add tayo ng negative 8 sa left side, ganun din sa right side. Okay. So, pag kinumbay natin yung 8 at saka negative 8, so 0. So, matitira sa left side is x. So, 15 plus negative 8 will give us positive 7. So, for number 1, the solution is or the value of x is equal to 7. Okay, so let's try to check. So, in checking, yung original equation natin, kopyahin lang and then palitan yung variable. So, ang variable na nakuha natin or value ng x natin is 7. So, 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, so correct. So, ibig sabihin, we got the correct solution for our first example. For our second equation, we have 5 times the quantity of x plus 4 is equal to 4x minus 3. Okay. So, based dun sa ating mga step, so ang unang step natin is to simplify. It's either using distributive property or combining like terms. So, in this case, yung left side natin, distributive property of equality over addition. So that will become 5 times x, 5x, and 5 times 4, we have 20. Then, kopyahin natin yung right part. Okay. So, in this part, uh, combine natin or make sure na yung ating mga expression na may variable ay mapupunta sa isang place. Okay, so in this case, we're going to apply addition property of equality. So we're going to add negative 4x both side. So we'll have 4x plus negative 4x also sa ating right side minus 3. Okay, so simplify natin. So 5x plus negative 4x, we have x plus 20. So this will be cancelled. So that's why nag-add tayo negative 4x para malipat siya sa left side. So matitira sa right side is negative 3. Okay, so another thing, we have to isolate yung ating variable. So that's why on this part, gagamit ulit tayong addition property of equality. Mag-a-add naman tayo this time ng negative 20 both side. Okay, so kapag sinimplify natin yung left side, so matitira is x. Then sa right side, we have negative 23. So we now have the solution for our second equation. Okay, so try nating i-check kung tama yung nakuha nating solution. Again, so in checking using the original equation, so papalitan lang natin yung variable yung nakuha nating value. So magiging 4 times negative 23 minus 3. Okay. So simplify natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So we have 5 times negative 19 is equal to 4 times negative 23 is negative 92 minus 3. So 5 times negative 19, we have negative 95. So ang right side, negative 92 minus 3 is negative 95. Okay, so meaning to say, we got the correct answer upon checking dun sa ating original equation. For our third equation, we have negative 7 third x minus 8 equals to 13. So we'll skip the first step considering yung both expression natin is already simplified or written in simplified form. So ang susunod na step natin is to think of a way na ma-isolate natin o ma-move natin yung variable sa isang place. So in this case, so dapat si negative 8 ay magawa nating paraan na mawala or maalis dun sa left side. So mag-apply tayo ng addition property of equality. Okay, so in this case, we're going to add positive 8 both side. Okay, so para ma-cancel to, so ang matitira sa left side is negative 7 third x equals to 21. Okay, so isolate. So ibig sabihin, dapat yung left side natin ay ang matira is x. Okay, so anong gagawin natin? We're going to apply multiplication property of equality. Kukunin natin yung multiplicative inverse ng negative 7 over 3 or yung kanyang reciprocal which is negative 3 over 7. So yung multiply natin sa left at right side ng ating equation. Okay. So this is equal to 21 times negative 3 over 7. Then simplify. So negative 3 over 7 times negative 7 over 3, this is positive 1. So 1 times 1 times x, so matitira is x sa left side. Then yung right side, so ito pwedeng is-simplify. So this is 3 and this is 1. So 3 times negative 3, we have negative 9. So meaning, ito yung solution natin for our third equation. Okay, so let us try to check. So by simply substituting the obtained value doon sa ating original equation. Okay. So, negative 7 over 3 times negative 9. So, ito pwedeng i-cancel. So, magiging 3. So, we have 7 times 3 or negative 7 times negative 3. So, this is positive 21 minus 8 equals to 13. Simplify natin yung left side. 21 minus 8 is 13. So, which is equal to 13. Okay, so for our last example, we have for 9x plus 3 equals negative 17. Okay, so ang magiging first step natin dito is to apply addition property of equality para ma-eliminate natin yung positive 3 sa left side. So we have for 9x plus 3, so mag-add tayo ng opposite niya, which is negative 3, so ganun din sa right side. And then simplify. So we'll have on the left side, 4 over 9x equals to negative 17 plus negative 3, we have negative 20. So, yung susunod nating step is to apply multiplication property of equality. So, take a look dun sa ating left side. Ang coefficient is 4 over 9, multiplicative inverse. So, we are going to multiply both sides by 9 over 4. Okay, so doing that, this will become, when you multiply 9/4 of, times 4 over 9, that is 1 times x, so we have x. And then, negative 20 times 9 over 4, so this one can be simplified. So this is 1, this is 5. Negative 5 times 9, we have negative 45. So we now have the solution for our last equation. So x is equal to negative 45. Okay, so last step natin is to verify if yung ating sagot is tama by simply substituting the obtained value of or the solution from the equation. So substitute natin directly dito sa ating original equation. So we'll have, when we simplify this, so this is equal to negative 5. So negative 5 times 4, we have negative 20 plus 3 equals to negative 17. So when we simplify this, so this will result to negative 17, which is equal to our right hand ng ating equation. So meaning, we got the correct answer from the solution that we have dun sa ating last equation. Okay, so that's it. I hope ay meron kayo natutunan sa lesson natin ngayong araw, and feel free to share this video to others, especially sa iba pa nating classmate, para mas marami pa tayong matulungang iba. Until next time!